forgot to load this blaster. Seeing what blasters are good enough to make my birthday party, pretty much. $93. The only issue with this guy is it might be too hard to climb, but I'm going to say that's a keep. Keep side, get rid of side. Oh yeah. Again, just these little X-shot pistols. Ooh, that one was bad. That was 43. There we go, 58 are just perfect little guys. Then we just got the normal triad. $60, personally reasonable blaster. Did not load this guy, so I'll just quickly throw 6 random rounds into this. Sorry about that, folks.